Alright, so here we have a new project. Doing some wheel fitment. Jesus. Look at that. Let's see if we can make this work. Looks too crazy, but we'll figure it out. For the front. That front is scary. So yeah, so obviously we have to camber this a little bit more, run some stretch tires, same things as over here. Camber it, stretch tires, and some slight fender work. He's gonna do fender work here anyway, so it's gonna look very clean when done. What's going on, guys? So we're here with my boy Danny.
What up, what up, what up?
Long time boy right here, yo. Long time. But
That shit
came
look
through.
clean.
Yeah, hell yeah. What you got here, boy? What you got?
We got a 93 Skyline GTS Type M. Got the Cosmo wheels on it.
Nice.
Leo just did the beautiful fender work.
Nice, nice. Man, it's looking clean. Look at that color, that red. All right. Look at that.
So that baby seat's out.
The baby seat, look at that. Caro. Nice. Check him out. Follow him. It's looking clean. All right, so today it's gonna give me some driving lesson on driving a right-hand drive manual transmission. So let's see. Let's test drive this baby.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Ready. Nervous. It already feels weird.
That's it.
Side.
That's it.
Let's see.
Yeah, there you go. Start clutch. Should be easy. Blinkers on the opposite side.
Oh, that's right.
Ah.
Oh, this is nice.
Throwback.
Fourth. Yeah, look at that. Yo.
Smooth, smooth.
This car actually feels fucking good.
Smooth for the fortune.
No, right?
We're gonna call them the killer bees.
You could do a little pull here. Nice.
No rubbing, it feels good.
Okay.
Put my fat ass in the car.
That's very good.
There you go.
Woo! Woo! Nice. That feels so cool, man.
That's right.
Yeah.
Turbo car.
I think I'll get used to it. It's kind of weird, but
that's it. We're importing one.
yeah.
Sorry, Becky.
Damn, this is nice. All right, so here we have the BMW. So he had a little issue with the taillights. Taillights, brakes, and parking lights wasn't working. So I opened up the box and found out that it's broken. This is the board, and it's broken right in the middle, which sucks because they don't make this anymore. So I just follow the cracked area. You see this? Boom, 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 boom. See it cracked the board, so it's breaking contact right here. So this doesn't cross this way. This one, let me see. Yeah, this one doesn't cross that way. This one doesn't cross that way. And yeah, so pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to solder a wire from this point to the next point. Confusing, but I'm gonna make it work. Let's see.
Sorry.
All right, so first one will be this one right here. See, this one is cracked, so I will have to make contact from this point to that point. So I will have to put some flux on this one right here, and let's solder that piece. Colombia, aquí lo mismo.
Haciendo video de YouTube.
Es así mismo. Para un día está en la noticia.
Siempre está ahí.
Esa gente
Rompiendo
rompiendo carros.
¿Sabes qué, parce? No hace, ¿verdad? No, yo los compro en condominios que tengan piscina, gimnasio, todo, y los reto porque no son casarios, son nomás. Ay, leíto.
Uepa.
Pues sí que me voy a comprar una moto para salir con Leo, hermano. Claro que Leo no le gusta salir, Leo es casasola. ¿Usted sabe que es como en casasola?
¿Qué es eso?
Que le gusta solo las cositas para el sol. Porque si se encuentra la hora que lo hace, mejor yo prefiero pagársela a ella. Pues marica, todas esas cosas todas se van a cuidar.
Alright, so just finished fixing the board. So I started inspecting the board to see what was the crack at. So there was cracking here, cracking there. So all I did was put little jumpers over to complete the circuit. That's about it. Board is fixed. Now we're gonna put it back in the Beamer, and that's all she wrote. Great. All right, switch is done. It's down there. The switches. The putter lights.